We have 3 cycling N-gauge trolleys using the PIC/stamp microcomputer processor. The 8 outputs control the curve and straight switches of the 4 turnouts. The 4 curved track sections in the middle of the board have their rail power turned on when the corresponding turnout curve is on. The straight track in the middle of the board has its rail power turned on when the curved sections on both sides are activated. 4 of the inputs are Hall effect/magnetic sensors that are located in the center of the curved track sections in the middle of the board. The sensors marked with the colored tag squares, white, green, red, and yellow. The number 4 sensor, blue, is located in the front of the main oval track. I use the GP3A PC analog/digital I/O kit from the awce.com and the GP3 Easy software. The GP Easy3 software is the control software that lets you create GP3 applications with no programming. The AWCE now offers a USB version to connect to your PC. Pulse width modulation controls the speed of the trolley. 1 LED under software control sets the direction of the trolley with the relay. 5 relays control the power to the separate track sections. That is it.